Hi, I'm John, and this is my video about CQRS. So today I'm going to be talking about CQRS, traditional architectures, the CQRS pattern and how it differs, and then the benefits of using CQRS over a traditional architecture. So with traditional architectures, the same data model is used to query and update the database. While this is simple for simple applications with basic CRUD operations, for more complex applications it can become unwieldy. In this traditional architecture, data contention can occur when multiple operations are performed against the same set of data in parallel. It can have a negative effect on performance. Read and write operations typically have different performance requirements. And finally, the security and permissions can become complex. So with this traditional architecture, we can't ensure that data is going to be exposed in the correct context between read and write operations. So simply put, the CQRS pattern separates query and update operations to different models. So this pattern adds a lot of complexity and therefore should only be considered for more complex applications. So in terms of the benefits, as mentioned about the performance, so using CQRS will allow you to independently scale read and write operations. This can mean fewer lock retentions. Also, you can specifically optimize read and write scenarios, so queries that are for reading data and writing data, we can make sure that the read ones are optimized for reading and the write ones are optimized for writing. And then security, we can ensure that only the right domains are performing writes. We're not going to have that crossover from using the same data model as we would in a traditional architecture. And then we've got the improved separation of concerns. As always, one of the core recommended practices within development is separation of concerns as a principle. So CQRS works towards that. And then finally, simpler queries using materialized views, so less likelihood that you'll need to do complex joins. Thank you.